What are you doing, Cena?
Nothing.
You're doing something.
I want you to disappear this.
You want me to disappear that?
Yeah.
Okay, hold it right there. Put it on the floor. Let me see if I can disappear it.
Alright. Disappear it?
Well, I can't disappear while you're looking.
Okay, disappear that.
Okay. Ta-da! It's gone.
Wow.
Wow.
You did that.
I did that. That's magic.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Where is the book?
It disappeared, remember?
I bet it's under here. I found it!
Hey, you found it. Let me see. Good job, Cena.
Now where do you want to disappear at?
I don't know if I can disappear it right now.
Come on, disappear it!
Okay, we'll try to make it disappear again. Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Did it disappear again?
Yeah.
Oh. You gotta help find it.
Is it, or it could be anywhere?
No, it's not there.
It's not under the blanket.
No. Where is it?
Check if it's under the blanket.
Okay.
Oh, look. Check if it's under there.
Okay. All right. Hold on. Cena.
Huh.
Say bye.
Bye. Silly goose. You're a silly goose, Daddy.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Where's the book? Did it disappear again?
Maybe.